Hello, get ready to go to the Renaissance Fair with me and my mom. I asked my mom if she wanted to wear matching outfits and she was like, I don't know, which means no. So I'm a little offended, but that's okay because I have another look in mind. So let's start getting ready. I just absolutely adore this blue chemise. I know it's like long sleeve and it's gonna be 86 today, but I just want to wear this with everything. So we're gonna start with this layer. I always push these guys up because when it goes off the shoulder, it kind of looks more like a short sleeve rather than a long sleeve, and it's really cute. I'm gonna add on this cute blue skirt that I'm pretty sure these are from the same dye batch, but one is just a little more faded, but they match really well. You can get an idea of what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be really cute. You can already see how much it's coming together and it's looking really cute, but I'm gonna add another black skirt underneath this. Hear me out. Okay, this is what like I want it to look like, but it's kind of long. I have to figure out how to pin this up. Okay, let's plan out some brooches in the meantime. I always do this cameo because I just love it. I'm thinking maybe turtle. And then I want to do some red ones. I don't know. I just got this guy last weekend at the Ren Faire. So maybe this guy and... Oh, where's my scepter? I want to put my scepter in here. We'll see. Okay, I wish I had one here, but I just don't think anything looks super good there. I don't know, the spacing looks weird. And this has such a, like, big back on it that I want it higher up. I'm kind of hopping all over the place, but I'm gonna do my hair in a little bunny bun. Because I just think that's, like, a fun thing to do. And then I'm gonna put, like, a scrunchie on top. My hair really isn't long enough to do buns, but I think it looks really cute when I do. So... I don't know if you can actually see that or not. And then I'm going to put like a little red scrunchie in it. So a little red scrunchie. I don't know what accent that was supposed to be. Now I'm just going to put a bunch of hair clips in my hair. Gonna put in these earrings that I got from the Ren Faire last year. I love swirly earrings. Guys, I woke up at like 7:45 and I'm running so late already. My mom just texted me and was like, "Are you on your way yet? Fair opens in half an hour." And I'm a half an hour drive from my parents. I'm a bad kiddo. Bad offspring. Okay. I'm normally decent at tying corsets. I can normally do them up in a couple minutes. Oh, I'm almost out of time on this. Whoops. Okay, the corset is on. How much you want to bet my mom's gonna comment on this when she sees me? I'm gonna have to put my pouches on later, but here we go. I look cute.